All right, so next up is going to be our glute bridge with weights. So for this, you can either grab your heaviest of dumbbells, or you can grab 2 of the heaviest of dumbbells or your 2 light ones. It depends on what your preference is, or if you're wanting to feel a little spicy, go up in weight quite a bit. So for this, you're going to go on your back, you're going to grab your dumbbell, making sure that your heels are also roughly where your fingertips are going to be. So you grab your weight. If it's uncomfortable for it to be on your hips, grab yourself a pillow and rest your weight on your pillow. It actually can help out quite a bit. So what you're going to do is we're going to be driving through our heels up, contracting. I'm not holding the weight up. All I'm doing is just resting it to make sure the weight is on the hips, and then back down. And then up, contract, clench, squeeze those glutes. And up. Now most people notice a 15-pound weight isn't going to be enough for them to have enough of a burnout in their glutes. So that's why I'm saying combine weights. Get a bunch of them, or get a bigger weight for when you're doing your glute bridges. So for this, we're going to be doing between 10 to 12 reps.